Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi TT MK1 front bumper. First, ensure your car is safely lifted on a jack and secured with sturdy axle stands. Next, remove both front wheels to gain access to the wheel arch liners. Under the bonnet, you will find a plastic trim cover. Remove this. Then, locate and unscrew the 6 T30 Torx bolts that hold the top of the bumper in place. Keep all fasteners organized for easy reassembly. Now, let's move to the wheel arches. You'll find about 12 T25 Torx screws in each wheel arch liner. Remove these. Gently pull back the liners to reveal the inner bumper fixings. Inside each arch, there are two 10mm nuts that need to be unscrewed, often requiring a deep socket and extension. Finally, look underneath the bumper and remove the two Phillips head screws securing its base to the car's chassis. Before the final detachment, it is crucial to disconnect any remaining components. On the passenger side, locate the headlight washer fluid pipe and carefully disconnect it. Be prepared with a plug or a small container to catch any fluid that might leak out. Also, inspect the bumper for any electrical connectors, such as those for fog lights or temperature sensors, and disconnect them. Double-check that all fasteners mentioned in the previous steps are completely removed. With all fasteners removed and connections disconnected, you are ready for the final step. Gently pull the bumper corners outwards from the fenders to release the side clips. It is highly recommended to have a second person assist you at this point. Carefully pull the entire bumper straight forward and away from the car. When reinstalling, reverse the process, ensuring all studs and clips align perfectly. Securely tighten all fasteners, starting with the top bolts, to ensure a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.